If you're wondering how you can check the RAM and the ROM on your Samsung phone, so in this video I will show you how to do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Device Care. Now to check the ROM or the storage on your Samsung phone, just tap on Storage. And from here you will be able to check the storage or the ROM of your Samsung phone. As you can see, we have a total of 128 gigabytes of storage, and we have used 20% or 26 gigabytes out of the total storage. Now to check the RAM of your Samsung phone, just go back and tap on Memory. And from here you can check the memory or the RAM of your Samsung phone. As you can see, we have a total of 6 gigabytes, and we have used 3.1 gigabytes out of the total 6 gigabytes, and we have 2.4 gigabytes left out of the total. And this is how you can check the RAM and the storage on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.